Hi guys, good day everyone. So I just wanna share with you my skin routine using Sam by Me product. So I've been using this product for a little over a week and seems to be great so far. So my skin feels smooth and hydrated and my acne scars are slowly but surely fading away. Feel much more confident with my face right now. So, proceed tayo sa step 1. So, step 1, wash your face with the warm water para syempre matanggal yung mga germs sa our face using your cleanser bar. So, proceed na tayo sa step 2. Soak cotton buds with the Sam by Me toner and gentle apply to your skin to help with the absorption. Next, step 3, apply an appropriate amount of the Sam by Me serum to your entire. Next, step 4, for the last step, gentle apply the Sam by Me cream with your finger. And caution lang guys sa paggamit ng ating product for external use only and avoid contact with your eyes. Do not apply to broken or inflamed skin. Next, use with the care for easily irritating skin. Instead, only small areas recommended.